Here we will write a Python program to calculate simple interest. So first in comment line we will write, to calculate simple interest we require principal amount, time and interest rate. So we will accept these three from the user. So principal amount equal to int input enter principal amount. Then we will accept interest rate. So I rate equal to int input enter interest rate, and then we will accept time int input enter loan duration. Then we will calculate simple interest as SINT equal to principal amount into I rate into time, and this whole divided by 100, and then we will print this simple interest. So print simple interest SINT. Then we will execute this. I will enter amount as 5400, interest rate as 8 and duration as 3. It will print simple interest as 1296.